could foresee the fall. Maybe it's time to decide what to do with the fact that it happens to us all. From time to just slowly tearing them down fast to start over. We're all trying to come over memories of the past and start over. The past can start over. Start over. bottles will be here by dawn. When we find it's over.